Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. And today I'm going to show you how to automatically send yourself a daily reminder email from Google Sheets. If you're like me, your inbox is basically your to-do list. But if you're also keeping tasks inside Google Sheets, this is a simple automation that sends you a daily email reminder to check your task sheet. We're going to build this using AppScript. And don't worry, I'll include the full code in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open AppScript. Start inside your Google Sheet. Go to Extensions, AppScript. This opens a new AppScript project connected to your spreadsheet. Step 2. Create the reminder function. We're going to create a function called function sendReminder. Now inside this function, we need a few things. The email address we're sending to the URL of this spreadsheet, a subject line, a message body. Use this full script. I'll include it in the description so you don't have to type it manually. Let me explain what this does. Session.getActiveUserParents, get email parents. This grabs your email address automatically, so the email is being sent from you to you. You could hardcode an email address in quotes instead, like SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet, getUrl. This grabs the URL of the current spreadsheet. Gmail app send email. This sends the actual email. Now click Save or Command plus S. Step 3. Test the script. Click Run to test it. The first time you do this, Google will ask you to authorize the script. Go through the authorization steps and approve it. Now check your inbox. You should see an email from you to you with subject. Check this sheet. Body. Check this tasks list plus the URL of your spreadsheet. That means it's working. Step 4. Set it to run daily. Trigger. Now let's automate it. In the left panel of AppScript, click Triggers. In the bottom right, click Add Trigger. You'll see a few options. Choose which function to run, send reminder, event source, change to time-driven. Type, select day timer. Time of day, choose your preferred time. For example, 5 to 6 a.m., just before you start work. Click Save. If you haven't authorized yet, it will prompt you here. Now this email will automatically send every single day at that time. Editing or deleting the trigger. If you want to edit the trigger, click the pencil icon. If you want to delete it, click the 3 dots, Delete Trigger. You can always add it again later. It only takes a few clicks. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a simple daily reminder email directly from Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this and want to build more automations inside Google Sheets, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I've got a lot more coming. Drop your questions in the comments. I might turn them into a future video. And one of these videos on your screen right now might just be your next Google Sheets breakthrough.